broke my other one. But yeah, it looks like you guys have pretty good outfits.
Let's go, let's go! Finally, I've wanted these monster trucks for so long. And whoa, wait a minute, hold on, this thing is awesome! It's so much bigger than a small car.
Yeah, they go a whole lot faster too, so you're gonna have to be really, really careful when you're driving around the course.
Oh yeah, don't worry, don't worry. I'm going around the track. Come on, come on. Let's go!
It's so much easier to see all of the track.
Yeah, it's because they're so much higher up for me. Do you see the size of the tires on these things? They're huge.
Okay, now that you guys know all the big stuff driving, we're gonna do one super big race.
Okay, that sounds pretty fun.
I'm excited!
Ready to go.
Okay, is everyone ready to start this big race?
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me get lined up. I'm ready, I'm ready. All right, let's go! Come on, come on. Here we go, here we go.
Set
We
up.
gotta keep on driving the monster truck. Let's go! I think I'm a little bit. Come on, come on, come on! Guys, did you guys really just break your cars? I think